Dear friends, welcome to all. This is Srikumar with you. First of all, I would like to thank you for clicking this video. I am sure why you click this video because you want to speak English. That is sure. You have been doing so many things to improve your communication skill, but still you can't speak English. What is the reason? You are learning so many grammar rules. You are learning so many new words and using it in sentences. Still, you can't speak in English, or still, you can't the courage to speak in English. What's the reason? The reason is one, scared of grammar. Another thing is we are not surrounded by English speaking people. We haven't enough opportunity to speak in English. That is why we are not speaking in English. At the same time, we have been learning so many things. So, from today itself, stop learning new grammar rules, new vocabulary, etc. Instead, start speaking. If you learn more and more rules, then you will be confused with where to use it, when to use it, and how to use it. Whenever you try to enter into a conversation, these tools always go into your mind and you will be confused. That is why you are not speaking in English. Then you can't speak in English. So stop learning those things and start speaking. How can we start practicing? Or to whom can we speak? These are the questions normally arise. We can do one thing. Select a friend of your choice and interact with him using simple sentences that will enhance your confidence. But it is impossible to find a friend of your choice initially. Then what we can do? Stand in front of a mirror and tell something to yourself. In this way you can practice. Select a particular object and tell 5 or 10 sentences about that object. And you change the object and again tell something. In this way you can enhance your confidence and enhance your fluency. If you do these things continuously, surely you can speak very well. Dear friends, so many techniques are also there. I will be with those techniques in another video. At present I am stopping. This is Srikumar signing off until meet again with another interesting video.